Bilal Ahmed, what is the best good deed in Islam? There's a difference between what is the best belief and what's the best deed. Of course, the best belief and the most important, it is Tawheed. And the biggest sin is Shirk. So number one is Tawheed. But in terms of deed, the hadith of the Prophet, that the first deed that Allah will ask you on the Day of Judgment, it is your Salah. And there's a hadith in Sahih Muslim that the Prophet said that Salah differentiates a person from Iman and Kufr. The thing that differentiates a person from a Mu'min and a Kafir is the Salah. So the most important deed that Allah will ask you on the Day of Judgment in terms of thing, it is Salah. And the most important Salah are the 5 times Salah. So the best deed a Muslim should be particular in doing it is offering 5 times Salah. It's a fard in Islam, and the Quran has stipulated it, and the various hadith, the 5 times Salah, the Fajr Salah, the Zohar, the Asr, the Maghrib, and the Isha, and the timings are given. And the Quran says, be careful of your middle Salah. Middle Salah referring to, there are 2 opinions, that if you look at the Islamic day starts from Maghrib, so the middle Salah will become the Fajr Salah. If you are talking about normal day starting from Fajr, so middle Salah becomes the Asr Salah. But naturally you should offer all the 5 times Salah. And as I mentioned in my earlier answer, that offering Salah 5 times a day in congregation in a mosque. Most of the scholars say it is fard, or it is fard kifaya. But according to Imam al-Dhahabi, he says in his book, The Kabair, that if you do not offer Salah in congregation in a mosque without a valid reason, it is a major sin. And he lists it as 56th major sin. And I am more leaning towards his view that it is further for a Muslim man to offer Salah in congregation in a mosque. So the best deed for a Muslim would be to offer the 5 times Salah. And for the men, 5 times Salah in congregation in the mosque. This is the best deed. Hope that answers the question.